All right, let's quickly solve this quantitative reasoning NCEE 2019 NCEE past question. Okay, and what they did here is very simple. 3 plus 6 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, 1 plus 7 is 8, 1 times 7 is what? 7. 2 plus 14 is 16. 2 times 7 is 14. So we are going to apply this sample in solving this question number 1 to 4. So this place is unknown. For us to find this, we will do 24 minus 21, or 21 divided by what? 7. Okay, and it will give us 3. We move to question number 2. In question number 2, this place is unknown, okay, which is 20 plus 4. It will give us 24. So answer to this very question is what? Option C. We move to question number 3. In question number 3, what we are going to do is what? 13 divided by 13. Okay? And 13 divided by 13 will give us what? 1. We move to question number 4. This place is unknown. So what we're going to do is very, very what? Simple. You will do 5 times 3, or you can do it this way: 20 minus what? 5. It will give us 15. So answer to question number 4 is what? Option C. That is 15. Okay, in sample B, what we have here is very simple. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 1 over 3 times 1 over 3 will give us 1 over 9. 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9 will give us what? 2 over 9. So let's apply this in question number 5 to 7. So in question number 5, what we have here is what? 4. So 4 squared. 4 squared means what? 16. 16 plus 42 will give us what? 58. So answer to question number 5 is what? 58. We now move to question number 6. In question number 6, what we have is what? 48 minus 6 times 6 is what? Is 36. When we subtract it, this minus this will give us 2. This minus this will give us what? 1. So answer to question number 6 is what? 12. We move to question number 7. In question number 7, what we have is what? You will do 35 minus 10. It will give us 25. Now, square root of 25 is what? 5. So answer to question number 7 is what? Is 5, which is option A. Okay, in sample C, what we have here is you will do 5 times 5, 25. Okay, 5 times 5 will give us 25. 2 times 2 is 4. 25 minus 4 will give us what? 21. We move to this sample. What we have is what? 3 times 3 is 9, minus 2 times 2 is 4. Okay? When you subtract it, it will give you 5. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 times 1 is what? 1. When you subtract it, it will give us what? 3. So let's use this to solve these 3 questions that we have here. Now, what we have here is what? 2. 2 times 2, okay, is 4, minus 2 times 2, which is what? 4 minus 4. And 4 minus 4 will give us what? 0. Meaning that answer to question number 8 is what? 0. We move to question number 9. In question number 9, what we have, this place is given. Why this place is not given? So what we will do here now is we do 1 times 1 is 1. 1 plus 24 will give us what? 25. Now square root of 25 will give us what? 5. So answer to question number 9 is what? Is 5. We move to this one. What we are going to do here is very, very simple. We will do 3 times 3. Okay, 3 times 3 is 9, minus what? 8. It will give us what? 1. Square root of 1 is what? Is 1. Okay, so answer to question number 10 is what? Is 1. So